go, nigga.
I gotta start branding my name. I gotta do better and move on to bigger things. I listened to my mama and I stayed up out them streets. I opened up my mind so I can see all of my dreams. I put so much work in, I can spell team with a 9. They thought I was a killer when I believed that I could fly. Between me and you, there's a difference in you and I. Some things you love more be the thing that just have to die. She thought I was just a plain Jane. Started moving different, seeing all the money, now she wanna get the fame. Driving all these cars, you know that I be switching lanes. I be moving fast, I'm trying to get up off my feet.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, man. As y'all can see, we don't need roads with it. We in Mexico with it, you know what I'm saying? Nothing but the motherland and the steering wheel in my other hand, you know what I'm saying? Face up. Well, nah, bro. I really don't know. I mean, I'm probably finna just give y'all some different angle type footage, man. I'm finna give y'all some outside pulls, man. People, I done seen them before, and them videos kind of just, I don't know. It's just like when you see the car from the outside, it's like, I don't know. You just can just see how it looks. Like, it's always cool on the inside, but when you see the outside view and you can hear it, you know what I'm saying? Like, my car loud, so, you know what I'm saying? Olivia probably gonna, make the mic chip and all that. But for the most part, man, we're gonna get what we can get out of it. Wait, can I turn right? Is that a dirt road? Y'all tripping, man? I almost went down a road with rocks. Y'all folk crazy car crew. But yeah, man, my fault. I ain't even tell y'all. Like the video, man. If you're watching right now, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching right now, you know what I'm saying? Oh, hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, sorry for pulling in y'all driveway. I ain't gonna go all the way in. I just need a backup. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, I'm gonna prop y'all. I gotta prop y'all up. Oh, what was that? Damn. My tire, my tire was on it, but what was it though? I don't like that, man. Oh, it was just a little bump. I mean, a little mud. But yeah, man, I'm propping my camera up. Probably somewhere right here by that stop sign, so I can have a safe point to come back and get it. In the right car. See, that's smart car. That's smart right there. Who creeping down the road like that with their headlights on in the middle of the daytime? You got to be keeping them back up a little bit just in case somebody be like, I need to move. Move. Chill out. Well, yeah, man, I'm finna, do, man. Set y'all up so y'all can see this magnificentness. You know what I'm saying? And hear it. So, yeah, I'm finna do that. So, I'll be back, man. Peace. What? And I caught that on tape. Cuz, but he got swirly at that bit. What the hell? But yeah, car crew, man, as y'all can see, we back in the whip. I think that's him right. I think that's him right there in the Mustang. Bruh, that junk crazy. I'm trying to get him to slow down, bruh. Car crew, man, he hit that bit. Like, he wasn't even. First he hit it a little bit. I know y'all heard it because the camera was still on. He hit it a little bit, right? Then hit it again. I gotta turn around, bro. I'm gonna have to go over there and talk to them, boy. I gotta see what's up with that. Hey, I gotta see what's up with that thing, bro. I'm gonna make a video out of it. Car crew, bro. That's literally crazy. That's literally crazy. But bro, like, I can't even talk, bro. I'm trying to think what I'm finna do. But bro, he hit that bit like, I'm gonna show y'all the marks in the road on the way back up. He hit that bit, bro. And that bit got like side. He crossed over. Like, he was going straight, trying to go straight. Best way he could, bro. That's crazy. Y'all don't even care for the S550 like that. I like the 20. My favorite body style Mustang though, like I actually get for real, like actually be like want to get, like actually want to get for real, like just because. Or like get it and actually do something with it, would be the 2014 body style. Really the 2014 year in particular, like that specific year. With the LED light, when they put the black, when they changed them three lights like the black ones. Yeah, that'd be hard. The GT500 one like that, oh yeah, that'd be hard. That'd be tough, that body style. That's my favorite body style. I like the 3-valve body style too though, to an extent, cause I had one. So I ain't gonna sit here and say like, I ain't rock with them, cause I wouldn't have got one if I didn't. But mine was just hard though. And I had the red seats, you know what I'm saying? Premium, GT premium red seats. Anyway, enough of that. But yeah, bro, he got a, I mean, the S550 cool. It's just like, I'm just going off like what I like really want. Like, I get it just to get it like a 10-speed, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's 10-speed, but, bruh. Anyway, what the mark said, they like right, what is it, bro? I almost passed them. Did I pass them? They somewhere, oh, I think they're right here. Yeah, they about right here. Somewhere. Hell, one of them. But look. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's crazy. Look how long that is. He was definitely spinning, bro. I should have grabbed, I had to see it with my eyes so I wasn't missing nothing, bro. If I would have grabbed the camera as he was going by, I was telling him to hit it. I was doing like that. I don't know if y'all saw me do that. Wow, when I go back and look, I see it. But bro, they were parked over there cause I seen it. He got a cow hood on it. All like, you got a Mustang, bro? You gotta put a cow hood on it. I don't care what kind you got. It gotta have a cow hood on that bitch. It got to, bro. For all my Mustang brothers, y'all know y'all know Mopar no car, but you know I like more than just Mopar, but Mopar no car, y'all know I get y'all here. But hey, you got you a Mustang, I don't care if it's an F550 or S197, 1997, whatever y'all call them, like, bro. Put a cow hood on that bitch. 3 valves, you need a cow hood. S550, need a cow hood. 2V, cow hood. Fault body, cow hood. You know what I'm saying? Only one that don't need a cow hood is 65, 67 body style. And then if they got a cow hood that fit that bitch old school and it look good, put a cow hood on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, and there go the Mustang right there, bro. Look, dang. There you go right there. That mud running. Boy, I hope y'all saw it.
Nice.
Hope y'all saw that that's the dude that was talking to me right here in the truck. He said he got the white GT500. Hey. I know. Oh yeah, you too. But yeah, man, he got that. He said he got the white and black GT500. I've seen it before. That's, oh boy, I had got boy. But the truck right here behind me, boy. Hey, hold on, I can't even speak. Boy, that truck scared the hell out of me, bro. I thought I was 12. I'm gonna say, boy. Even though I ain't doing that, just like, you came out of nowhere, brother did that pull, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, boy, cause he brother told me to be safe and that thing, you know. Here you go, but that was a lady in the one of them 728, some Z70, those Z71 trucks or something like that, with all that gear on it. I was like, boy, woo. But yeah, man, man, brother just throwing me off. Yeah, Car Crew, you got that GT 500. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you got a Mustang, boy, I don't care what year it is, boy, put a cow hood on that bitch. Put a cow hood on that motherfucker. I'm telling you. Thank me later. Thank me later, Car Crew. But anyway, man, I just want to give y'all a little flyby, just like some quick one, cause I really couldn't keep going up and down. That's a lot, bro. I'm worried about my phone. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I already sitting somewhere, so I was just like, yeah, let me just get this, you know what I'm saying? Feel a little pull. And that was a launch, by the way. That was a manual launch. I didn't use launch control or nothing. I just did it like manually, like put it. I hit it, and then I think it was in drive, and then I had pressed one of the pedals to the up as soon as I went. Not as soon as I went, but like it put it in like the pedal shift more like one, and it dragged the gear, and I got to shift it more. So I had shifted it a little bit too fast from third to fourth. That way I had kind of died down, and I just stretched out because it stopped spinning. Cause it was spinning if y'all couldn't see it. I'm trying to make sure y'all see that it was spinning. That mug got a little sideways. Ain't gonna lie. Oh, we still in sport mode, but yeah. Car Crew, man, y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos, you know what I'm saying, outside view. I know people were saying that before. Oh my Lord. Oh, boy, I ain't know what was going, boy, I ain't know what was going on. I just see soldiers under the car. I'm thinking, boy, what the I thought somebody died. I was like, what the world going on, bro? Up under the car, it's soldiers out there, bitch, working on the car? That's crazy. But yeah, man, everything just throwing me out, bro, every time I try to talk. But yeah, man, with all that being said, nah, I'm finna say something else. They ain't that throwing they be throwing my mojo off, Car Crew. Distractions. But if I can remember what I was finna say, man, anyway, let me know y'all like them outside view. I know people were saying that in the past before. They were like, you know what I'm saying? Do some outside views of your car, and everybody who doesn't kind of like that, you know, cause just you see how the car look, you see it in person, and they're going down the road, and you can hear it, but you can't hear it clear. But my car is obviously louder than what the camera makes it look like. Look at these folks, bro. They what I be talking about. They give us tickets, but then folks like that with a veteran tag, just you know, go crazy. Like, I mean, but anyway. That's what you get for doing the speed limit, you know. But yeah, man. Anyway, like I said, always something throwing me off. But let me know if y'all want to keep. Y'all like those type of videos, man. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down below what you like or how the car sounds to you. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Just let me know you watch the video. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. Everybody tap in, man. Comment a fire emoji or whatever emoji you want to post. You know what I'm saying? A good emoji. You know what I'm saying? Don't even post some weird shit. But a good emoji, you know what I'm saying? And they get it popping. Car Crew, on the road to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? 10K the quick way. It's kind of like a vlog, too. I ain't gonna cap. I just want to give y'all some outside pull, man. I got some more footage for y'all coming this weekend, man. I got some more footage coming for y'all this weekend, man. You know what I'm saying? I might drop the video today as I'm recording right now. So this weekend, I'm gonna have some footage for y'all. Well, Sunday. Probably Sunday, yeah. Sunday I have some footage for y'all. So y'all keep your finger crossed, man. So everything go how I need to go. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. But with all that being said, man, like I always say at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Car Crew. Also, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first. Keep him in the mix. Always keep him in everything you do. You know what I'm saying? Ask him for guidance. And ask him for wisdom, you know what I'm saying? And patience. And forgiveness, you know? Because we ain't perfect, but I always ask him for forgiveness, man. He's a forgiving God, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all do that for my religious folk. My religious people. If you're not religious, don't take offense and start going in the comments, having all this other stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking to people that know what I'm talking about. You feel me? But yeah, man. And also, man, like I said in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here. Like yesterday.